Hi, I'm Holly. In this video, I'll show you how to make holiday cards with Paperless Post. Start by going to paperlesspost.com and logging into your account or signing up. Then select a category you like under Holiday Cards. You can filter our holiday greeting cards by photo count, theme, style, and more to find the festive design that's right for you. While you're browsing our designs, upload a photo to preview what it looks like on any of our holiday photo cards. After you select your holiday card design, start customizing it with textiles, seasonal backdrop patterns, and fun stickers. If you're uploading your own holiday photo, adjust the size, orientation, and rotation until it looks exactly how you like. Edit the colors and text on your card to add a personalized message of holiday wishes. Then, choose your envelope and liner and add a stamp. Next, choose a page style with fonts and colors to match your card. Share more with your family and friends by adding blocks to your page. You can add a photo gallery block to send additional sweet family photos, or even include a video message with a video block. Now it's time to add your recipients. You can either add contacts one at a time, upload a spreadsheet, or import via your address book. And if you're sending your holiday card to more than one member of a family or group, choose Add Couple Family to send a combined greeting card. Preview your holiday card before sending it out by sending yourself a test version. Once everything looks just right, you can send your online holiday greeting card via email, text, or a shareable link. If you're sending via email or text, you can check your tracking page to see who's opened your merry message in real time. Have a question about how to make a holiday card with Paperless Post? Feel free to contact our customer operations team. See you next time!